The economic landscape is transforming and fast. Today's economic models are unsustainable. They're being disrupted by climate and nature risks, new technologies, and shifting geopolitics. This is fundamentally reshaping the competitive landscape for business. On the one hand, a stalled transition to sustainable economies will leave businesses exposed to accelerating risks to market chaos. On the other hand, companies risk being outcompeted if transition accelerates faster than they're able to respond. There's going to be huge innovation and business growth in clean energy, energy efficiency, grid resilience, resource productivity, sustainable food. It's in businesses' own interest to both accelerate transition and to innovate and position themselves to compete within it. The challenge, though, is one of pace, of driving rapid change within market structures that are often a barrier rather than an enabler of innovation and investment. Markets continue to externalise environmental and social costs. They prioritise short-term returns and they undervalue investment in the future. And these factors create a real competitive disadvantage for forward-looking firms. It's in businesses' interest to work to fix them rather than sitting back and waiting, hoping for a commercially viable transition pathway to emerge. Hope isn't a strategy. A pathway to sustainable value creation and a level playing field for action won't emerge until businesses and investors build it. So that means innovating. It means working with others to transform whole systems, food, energy, buildings, mobility, to accelerate positive tipping points and to work on joined-up, place-based strategies. But importantly, it also means working to really reshape the rules of the game, to drive market change that incentivises leadership, that incentivises innovation and investment in a cleaner, greener, safer and more prosperous future. And it means working proactively to build social and political support for change. Our Transforming Markets campaign supports businesses and financial institutions to work effectively and strategically to drive market-wide change. And it celebrates those who are driving progress, who are demonstrating that transition isn't only possible, it's already underway.